Bobo, we got a package.
Yeah?
Yeah, look at this.
There.
Yeah, these are definitely better than hand making them yourself. That takes a lot of time.
Right.
If it wasn't so hot, I'd take a bite out of it right now.
That's exactly where I'm at. Like I want your Fanta. Like you know Zambian style, like Fanta and samosa.
Oh yeah, look at that sausage. Oh my goodness.
I am your sunshine when you're down. I am that super river flow. I am the memory that you hold on to. I am the psychic that won't leave. Always a treat for you up my sleeve. I am the mirror that you look through, but you see.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
We're doing good.
Doing good. Thank you. How are you?
Yes, we can get you. Can you hear us?
I'm great.
Ciao,
Loud and clear. So I've been talking about you and we're trending about Facebook or social media. I'd like to find out a few things as well about the love. Maybe the introduction if you come on to
Oh, absolutely. We're the Beyerle bunch. We started off by doing YouTube videos.
Yeah, and then Facebook.
Then Facebook.
And then TikTok.
And now we went viral on TikTok. So we're doing almost everywhere. We're on Instagram and we just love making videos of our family.
Okay, so maybe someone who's tuning right now, which country are you? And also what decided you to take the step that you're taking in short, embracing Bemba? We all know maybe the story behind everything.
Yes, absolutely. First of all, Mwana Kopala, born and raised in Kitwe, Zambia. That's where I'm from.
I'm from the United States, born and raised. I lived in Zambia for about 2 years. That's when I met Rachel.
So we embrace our Zambian culture by bringing it here as well.
And passing it on to our kids
children.
too.
Yeah, that's the main thing, is also passing it on to the children. Yeah, that's who we are.
So, you're born and raised from Zambia, and your husband is from United States. And you met your husband to start speaking Bemba. And you know, there's this thing where, a trending where if someone lives in the States, there's always that thing that people will always expect you to adapt to how people in the United States live. But you said, no, they don't land Bemba. And you have been how to speak Bemba. Why did you decide to do that at the end of the day?
I think it was just loving my culture. You know, even if you speak to someone like my in-laws, my mother-in-law or anybody, they'll tell you just how much of my culture that I bring here. I'm very proud Zambian. I think before they will call me, because now I'm also American, but before they call me American, they'll always call me a Zambian. I love my Zambian culture and I always bring it with me everywhere. I mean, people will come as guests in our home and they'll eat in Shima. So that's the main thing.
But how did you convince your husband to say this is what I want to do?
It was me showing an interest in her stuff. You know, it's all a part of her being Zambian.
Yeah.
And so I know her favorite food is enshima, so I wanted to have some enshima with it. So now one of my favorite dishes is enshima.
Yeah.
It's pistache and cocoa and enshima.
That's right.
Okay, is there any way that you have learned that you like to share? Maybe, and also, how's it been for you, the learning part of Zambian culture?
The learning part, it takes a little bit to pronounce some of the stuff because I'm not used to some of the consonants together, so it's a little harder for me. And then how we sound the vowels in America is a little different, so I have to remember that. I try and hear the phrase and I write it down, and then I just repeat it over and over so then I know. And then I pick stuff up from Rachel's phone calls.
Let me say this. Before, But nowadays I can't even speak Bemba and get away with it because he hears. So what are some Bemba words that you know? What's your favorite Bemba word?
Ukulila kumo nove wali.
You said it wrong.
I'm sorry.
So, in short, the company is there any method that you have to family, maybe in your own way, and what made you to do what you've been doing? And people have appreciated what you're doing on social media and you've been trending. Is there anything that you feel you should get to share?
Be yourself.
Yeah, I think be yourselves is the best thing. You know, people can figure out if people are not genuine.
Yeah.
You see that on social media all over, and then there's scandals and all sorts of stuff. I think it's best just be yourself. You know, show that.
Hello, can you hear us? Can you hear us?
I think the biggest thing is be yourself.
Be yourself. Yeah.
You know, people can see that if you come fake, you know, you just be yourself. Everyone's different. Everyone brings uniqueness to it. That's what people want to see is, you know, that family unity. Ubuntu.
Ubuntu, yes. No, the most important thing is just be yourself. If you bring your culture as you are, you know, show it off.
Mm-hmm.
When I first arrived here in the United States and I would say I'm from Zambia, not many people would know where Zambia was.
Mm-hmm.
But now when I say I'm from Zambia, people are like, oh yeah, that's Zambian, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So it's good to just be yourself and be proud of who you are.
Yes.
There's a lot of value in being proud of who you are.
That you have and also proud of what you've been doing. Is there anything that you'd like to share with also right now?
Yes, absolutely. We are on YouTube, we're on Instagram, we're on TikTok, we're on Facebook. Anywhere where you guys want to find us, you're welcome to. And make sure you leave us comments of suggestions of things that you guys love to see, because we love to create content. We're content creators and we love to do it.
And we're happy to make other people happy.
Yes, that's a value in it.
Mm-hmm.
That's a value in it. And Gabe, do you want to say something in Bemba before we go? Before we go, do you want to say something in Bemba?
Yeah.
Yeah, Nato Tella, everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it as well.
Alright,
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, so I'm ready to go start the car. Boo Boo, I'm gonna start the car, get the kids strapped in while you're finishing getting ready, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's go do this. We'll get the camera placed up and everything and... Boo Boo! We got a package.
Yeah?
Yeah, look at this. Alright, let's see what it is.
Where is it from?
Let's see. Here we go. Let's see what it is. Were you expecting a package, Boo Boo?
I think so.
Oh, it's industrial. Oh my goodness.
Biltong! Samosas!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, with the sauce. Sausage!
Oh my goodness.
And more sausage.
That is amazing.
Whoa. Alright guys, this is from a Zambian lady who lives here in the United States. We'll link her description down below just so you guys can be able to see and purchase too.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Wow.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too. Boerewors, samosas.
Alright, there's the sausage. We're getting the samosa ready. Can't wait to eat this. How about you?
I love samosa and I love boerewors.
This is gonna be tasty. They smell so delicious.
They smell amazing. It actually smells like Zambian sausage.
And it's perfect for our lunchtime right now.
Yeah.
So, that's amazing. Oh my goodness, that looks great. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Samosa time!
Oh yeah, this is a great lunch right here.
It's like super easy.
Yeah, these are definitely better than hand making them yourself. That takes a lot of time.
Right.
If it wasn't so hot, I'd take a bite out of it right now.
That's exactly where I'm at. Like I want a Fanta. Like you know Zambian style, like Fanta and samosa.
Oh yeah, look at that sausage. Oh my goodness.
In the past again, oh. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this,
Oh my goodness. I don't even need anything with that. Just the submission sausage.
Pretending we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know.
Got some biltong, some butterscotch, a nice freshly fried samosas, and the sausage.
Boerewors.
Bros.
It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Oh.
Just go for it. Oh man, that looks great.
But how about so good?
There, I cooled it for you.
Thank you. This guy wouldn't even wait for me to turn on the camera.
Sorry. Bad manners.
It's actually really good.
It's amazing. Need some more sausage too.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you.